Yeah, I'm really struggling.
Oh. Oh.
Hey squad, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica Yum. I help women reach their pre-op and post-operative surgery, beauty, and boss goals through Bodium and by linking them with other industry-leading businesses and resources. I've helped tens of thousands of women through their cosmetic surgery journey specifically, and I'd love to know how I can help you or your loved one too. Feel free to comment below or inquire about my services on my website. This is Spa Medical. Oh, what a horrible experience, yo. It's like 2 a.m. Saturday morning. Oh my god. Oh. I couldn't wear the faja the day of the surgery because of my breathing. And then that recovery house had me by the time they gave me back my faja and everybody untouched. I know I struggle swallowing pills. And yesterday they tried to give me a little mushed banana with all my meds on top of it, and it was making me gag, and it was so disgusting. But this woman just made me such a good juice with my meds. I'm so relieved about that, at least. Ooh. Oh. Oh. It was definitely more intense than my day 1 massage. I'm still struggling a little, but I got my faja on and my arm sleeves. Definitely happy about that. Like really trying not to cry because I don't want to make myself hurt more, but I want to go home, yeah. I'm really struggling. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my. Oh. Oh. I'm going through like so much shit in my personal life and I'm trying not to let it affect me. But it's so hard. I'm having such a hard time. And I know I shouldn't be crying, but I can't even help it right now. So I went to move my tray of food, take it up and clean. I dropped the rice, and I think I broke the cup. I'm gonna get a shot, the heparin shot to prevent blood clots. I get that at 10 p.m. Oh. Oh. I got a little sleep today. Using those Percocets half at a time helped. I took 2 halves today. There's quite a bit of lost footage from this day that you'll see in the next video. And then I'm going to tell you exactly why I ended up back here.